Volcanoes are a scary thing for everyone. It looks like a dormant mountain, but when it comes to life, it burns down hundreds of miles. In today's episode, we will learn about the causes of volcanism and its destruction. A volcano is a special type of mountain through which hot and molten rocks, ash, and gas come out of the interior of the earth. Volcanism is the formation of a conical shape by the formation of hot air, water vapor, molten rock, mud, ash, gas, and all these substances, which come out of a crack, or a hole through the cracks, or come out of contact with the cool air of the Earth's surface. Volcanic discharge from a volcano is called an eruption. And the mouth that erupts from the outside of the volcano is called the volcano. There are currently more than 500 active or living volcanoes on Earth. Volcanoes that have no chance of erupting are called dead volcanoes. Volcanoes that are not currently active, but may erupt in the future, they are called dormant volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions occur when cracks appear in the Earth's crust, when there is a weak perforation in the Earth's crust, or when liquid rocks and pressure in the Earth's crust increase. Volcanoes cause clouds of ash and gaseous matter to form in the sky. Volcanoes can also form in the middle of the ocean. The watery rock stored inside the Earth is called magma, and the liquid rock that comes out of the Earth's surface is called lava. The deeper the surface, the higher the temperature. Although the underground elements are in a molten state, but under the extreme pressure of the rock layers on the surface of the Earth. These elements are melted but remain stable. As the pressure decreases for some reason, the elastic state of the Earth's interior changes. As a result, the liquid of this substance then comes out through a fragile place, or a weak layer, and actually forms a volcano. The most common perception of a volcano is of a conical mountain, spewing lava, and poisonous gases from a crater at its summit. This describes just one of the many types of volcano. The features of volcanoes are much more complicated, and their structure and behavior depend on a number of factors. Some volcanoes have rugged peaks formed by lava domes rather than a summit crater, while others have landscape features, such as massive plateaus. Vents that issue volcanic material including lava and ash, and gases that mainly steam and magmatic gases can develop anywhere on the landform, and may give rise to smaller cones. There are many types of volcanoes on this Earth. A supervolcano is a volcano that has experienced one or more eruptions, that produced over 1,000 cubic kilometers of volcanic deposits in a single explosive event. Such eruptions occur when a very large magma chamber full of gas-rich, silicic magma is emptied in a catastrophic caldera forming eruption. Ash flow tufts placed by such eruptions are the only volcanic product, with volumes rivaling those of flood basalts. Submarine volcanoes are common features of the ocean floor. Volcanic activity during the Holocene epoch has been documented at only 119 submarine volcanoes. But there may be more than 1 million geologically young submarine volcanoes on the ocean floor. Subglacial volcanoes develop underneath ice caps. They are made up of lava plateaus capping extensive pillow lavas and palagonite. These volcanoes are also called table mountains. Very good examples of this type of volcano can be seen in Iceland and in British Columbia. Mud volcanoes are formations created by geo-excreted liquids and gases, although there are several processes that may cause such activity. The largest structures are 10 kilometers in diameter and reach 700 meters high. The concentrations of different volcanic gases can vary considerably from one volcano to the next. Water vapor is typically the most abundant volcanic gas, followed by carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Other principal volcanic gases include hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen chloride, and hydrogen fluoride. A large number of minor and trace gases are also found in volcanic emissions, for example, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, halocarbons, organic compounds, and volatile metal chlorides. Tephra is made when magma inside the volcano is blown apart by the rapid expansion of hot volcanic gases. Magma commonly explodes as the gas dissolved in it comes out of solution, as the pressure decreases when it flows to the surface. These violent explosions produce particles of material that can then fly from the volcano. Solid particles are smaller than 2 millimeters in diameter, are called volcanic ash. One of the few living volcanoes on Earth today is Vesuvius volcano in Italy. The last eruption was in 1944. Japan's Sakurajima volcano, it is currently experiencing regular eruptions. Nyiragongo volcano in the Congo, the last eruption in 2002. Mauna Loa volcano in the Hawaiian Islands, it erupts lava almost all year round. Guatemala's Santa Maria volcano, the last volcano to erupt in 1902. Mount Sinabung volcano in Indonesia, erupted in March 2021. And Guatemala's Fuego volcano, the last eruption from this volcano occurred in June 2018. Finally, we can say, the eruption of a volcano is enough to wipe out civilization or a nation. And there are many such examples in this world.